I was crowned in a kingdom of smoke, breathing in the sins I spoke. Marble throne of burning gold, but even kings get cold. Ashes falling like dying stars, the only ruler behind these scars. Immortal flame, eternal night, then you walked in like forbidden light. You touched the dark I hide beneath, turned my curse into belief. In the heart of the fire, you're my only light, my only heaven in this endless night. Loving you is my fall from grace. Let the flames take me in your embrace. I burn forever just to feel your love. Even devils cry for someone. If I'm the hell you're dreaming of, then be my heaven in fire. You once cussed through the sulfur air like a holy song down here. Every step you take toward me breaks another chain off me.